How to shop with SixthContinent. How to access SixthContinent. Internet, enter www.sixthcontinent.com into your browser. When it opens, log in using your pre-existing account information or create a new account. Alternatively, you can log in using Amazon or Facebook. How to buy cards on SixthContinent. Click on the Shop section to access the list of all cards. You can select the category of cards you want to view and select filters according to your preferences. On the Shop page, you'll see that each card shows the number of reviews that SixthContinent members have left and the percentage of credit back currently offered. When you're ready, click one of the cards to see more information. On the next page, remember to always read the description of the card, as well as the terms and conditions. You can also read reviews of the specific card left by other members of SixthContinent. Choose the value and quality of cards you want to purchase. On the left-hand side of the page, there is a summary of the offer. You can switch between card value amounts to see how much you will spend and save in real time. Immediate activation of cards. After adding a shopping card to your cart, you have the option to earn many extra credits by adding one or more sponsored cards to your purchase. By adding sponsored cards, you will also obtain immediate activation. Always ensure you select the information button to read the terms and conditions before purchasing. How to complete your purchase. Click to proceed and choose if you want to pay for the transaction using either credits or points, or credits and points, with a savings value worth up to 50% of the main card. Alternatively, you can deselect each option and save your points and credits for future purchases. Finally, click to proceed. On the next page, you'll see a breakdown showing all the details of the cards in your cart, how much you will pay, and the best part, how much you will save. The final step is to pay using the secure vendor, Amazon Pay. Log into your existing account or create one quickly in the pop-up window. Insert your credit card information and proceed to pay. What to do after your purchase? The final step in the purchasing process is to leave a review of your card. You will earn points for leaving a review, and you will be helping others in the process. You can also access your wallet from this page by simply selecting Profile and then Wallet. Visit the My Cards section, and there you will see the cards you just purchased. When they are ready, select Download and then use them as necessary, either by printing or copying and pasting the code into the applicable website. This is everything you need to know to complete a purchase with SixthContinent. Come on over to SixthContinent to get more value for your money.